Hello everyone, this is Trupti Shah from Vidyavardhini College of Engineering and Technology, Vasai. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Vinay Kulkarni for giving me this opportunity to create a video how to make snake and ladder puzzle for COPO questions. So let us start with that. So these are the questions, key COPO questions. 12 questions are there, 12 questions. Already marked here. And before starting puzzle, I selected one template of snake and ladder game. This is my template, and before starting the puzzle we have to mark down position of ladder and snakes on template, and then I marked all MCQ questions 1 to 12 with options, and whatever red color shows which is a correct option. I mark all correct options with red color, and to the right hand side in bracket pawn position is given. You can give any random values from 1 to 6. But remember one thing, while giving that value for correct answer, when you select it, there should not be snake come in between while reaching to the final value. So I have selected any random value accordingly. So this below table, so this is the table. I prepare this table for 5 attempt, and red color shows the correct attempt. Okay, so first I make it for correct attempt, and then for any random 4 attempt. So first question number 1, and whatever I have shown above, same way MCQ answers I have written with pawn values. All 12 answers I have written here. So first option is say 1, question number 1, and correct answer is B and 3. Obviously first position will be 3. Now come to the question number 2. It shows that D and 5. So whatever value I am getting, 3 plus 5 is 8. Similarly for 3, it is 3, 8 plus 3 is 11, and so on, will go on increasing. And now see, come at question number 9. It is showing answer is D and value is 2. So 26 plus 2 is 28, and when we go to the template of snake and ladder, say to value 28, see here is the value 27, 28. 28 ladder is there, and we are moving to value 55. Now again come back to our table. So question number 9, ladder 28, it will go to the 55. Now instead of 28, my final value will be 55. Now for question number 10, again 6 is added to 55 and 61, so on. Now when we reach to the question number 12, 66 plus 4, 70, and at 70, ladder is there, and which move to the 89 position. We can check it. See, 70, 89, and that was my question number 12 last answer. So that is the 89 is the winning position, and game is over. And similarly I have done for wrong options. Wrong options, you can select any random value. There is no it is not necessary that snake should not be there. So whenever we are coming, say for example, take the attempt 4. In attempt 4, question number 4, if we are doing 31 position, snake is coming. So 31, so whenever you reach to 31, snake which will come back to the 14. So again you have to start with that value 14. So next will 14 plus 4, 18, and so on. Thank you.